Hey guys, if Instagram Edits app is not saving, let me show you how to fix that. So to start, close Instagram Edits and go to your phone settings. Once you're on settings, go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. Next, you can also turn it off for about 10 seconds and turn it back on. Then go back to Instagram Edits and see if that works. Now, next method is to go back to the main settings and go to General. Next, go to iPhone storage. And from here, look for Instagram Edits, open it, then tap on Offload app, confirm the action, and you will see Reinstall app. So tap on that. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So just wait for it. Now once done, close settings and open Instagram Edits again and check if that solves your problem. Now, the next thing you can do is to go to App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram Edits or Edits only. Click the second one, and if you see an update button in there, go ahead and click that and make sure you're using the latest version. So, once done, go ahead and open Instagram Edits and see if that solves your problem.